each type of coffee, and also color coding each type of milk. So these small tests can lead to success, also can lead to success, which Steven is going to talk about right now.
Alright, the big success story that came out of the article was Starbucks in Oregon. They already had one of the fastest drive-through times of 25 seconds, so by the time you place your order, on average 25 seconds later you could drive away with your coffee or walk away with your coffee. But after Scott came in and did the Mr. Potato Head exercise with the manager, she was able to look and see how everything needed to work and fit together when you laid it out. And so she took that into her store and, like Nick said, color-coded things and made it so that they didn't have to think as fast. They could just look at a color, see what was going on, and be able to fill it quicker. And they were able to take 2 seconds off of their already really short time. So when the Starbucks that was already doing really well was able to improve time, stores that were pretty slow were able to jump up and get their times to be really quick as well. Alright, and the reason that they really needed to do all this was because their order times were getting to be extremely slow. And in the second quarter of 2008, they actually posted a net loss for the first time in a long while. I mean, you can see that they're having revenues over $150 million, and they actually posted a net loss, which you can see reflected in the stock price. If halfway after the second quarter, 2008 fiscal year, they posted a net loss, when they would have announced that about a month later, we're right up here. Let's circle this. Right there is when they would have announced it. Stock price went down. But then after they started implementing it, their times got shorter and they were able to start posting positive net incomes versus losses. Then drove the stock price back up. So that's a clear way that we can see how this lean manufacturing was put into Starbucks and able to add value to the customers. Any questions?